Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone, myself Narendra Singh Maurya and hope you all are doing well. So guys, today we are going to solve performance gate 2013 problems and this is the question number 30, right? So read the question. Here a glider is launched from a 500-meter high hilltop. Okay. Following data is available for the glider. Zero lift drag coefficient CD naught is given 0.02, aspect ratio and host wall efficiency it is given 0.95. The maximum range of the glider in kilometer is. So first we'll write the given data. Okay, that altitude is given from where that glider is what going to launch. So altitude is given, which is nothing but h. How much? 500 meter. All right. And zero lift drag coefficient is given how much? CD naught it is 0.02. Aspect ratio is given AR is 10. Okay. Host wall efficiency small e is given how much? 0.95. Alright. The maximum range of the glider in kilometers. So we need to calculate what we need to calculate the range, and range is nothing but maximum range we need to calculate. Okay, maximum range we have to calculate. So first, based on this given data, we'll draw the diagram so that we can easily resolve the force. So here somewhere here this is the location of the aircraft, that glider. Okay, all right, and this is just say this is the reference point, and here this is the hilltop, and this distance they have given to you how much? 500 meter. All right, this is the glider velocity v infinity, you can say. It is launched from the 500-meter high hilltop. So h here it is given. All right, now we will resolve the force. So I'll show you another diagram better. All right, now with gliding angle gamma, you say, so obviously weight will be acting downward. Here it is gliding with velocity v, you can say. So this is gamma, so this will also be gamma. This component will be w cos gamma, and here this component will be horizontal component w sin gamma. This is the velocity v, so perpendicular to this will have lift, and opposite to this will have a drag. This is the force. Okay, now you just equate the forces. So here you know what is the gamma. Gamma is nothing but gliding angle, and definitely thrust will be the forward force. But for the glider, I mentioned many times, glider is the unpowered flight. Okay, unpowered flight, I will write this. So for unpowered flight, thrust will be 0. All right, anyway, if you resolve the forces, so what you may get, L is equal to w cos gamma, equation number 1, and d is equal to w sin gamma, equation number 2. Check what will be the tan gamma. It is nothing but d by L. All right. Okay, this is equation number 3. For the same, if I will draw the triangle, so I can relate what is the altitude. This is altitude where it is launched, and this will be the range. Okay, and this is what gamma. Okay, so what will be the tan gamma here? Tan gamma is nothing but check h by r. What is the R? R is nothing but range, H is nothing but altitude. So this is equation number 4. We can relate this equation number 3 and 4 from equation 3 and 4. What we'll get? Tan gamma is equal to D by L is equal to H by R. What we want to calculate? R H by tan gamma. Alright, check. If I say R max, if I say R max, okay, then what is the mean of it? Its mean is H tan gamma, okay, mean. That means H. What is the tan gamma? That is D by L mean. Alright. Or the same thing you can write R max is equal to what? H into L by D. You just reverse it. So L by D, you may get max. That meaning will be same. D by L mean or L by D max. That meaning is same because it is reversed to each other, no? D by L or L by D. If you say D by L minimum, so definitely L by D will be maximum, no doubt about it. What this L by D known as? This is known as minimum drag condition. This is called minimum drag condition. Alright, you know very well what is the L by D max. This is called minimum drag condition, and that also you can write half rho V square S CL divided by 1 by 2 rho V square S CD. So all value will be cancelled out. Yes or no? What you will get? CL by CD. Okay. And this condition is called minimum drag condition because L by D max is nothing but minimum drag condition. So we can write CL by CD minimum drag. If you want to write, then what is the mean of it? You can write this CLMD by CDMD. That is also correct. So what is the CLMD? That is the important point here. What is the CLMD? CLMD is lift coefficient at minimum drag. How to calculate this? It is nothing but CD naught by K. That is the formula. No? This is the remark point you need to remember. CLMD is CD naught by K. It is derived. What is the CDMD? It is drag coefficient, okay, at minimum drag. And what is the formula for it? That formula also you need to remember. This is the formula, so not going to derive. You need to remember it is 2 CD naught. Alright, good. So up to here I hope it is clear because it is directly formula. Anyway, we need to check what is the value of CD naught and K is given. If K is not given, so data must be given. We can calculate. Yeah, aspect ratio and small is given. So you can calculate what is the K. K is nothing but 1 upon pi E AR. Can you calculate? AR is the aspect ratio. Can you calculate? 1 1 upon pi divided by E is nothing but 0.95 divided by aspect ratio how much? 10. It is 10. So it is nothing but 0.0035. I will write this 0.0035. What is the K? You got it, no? So automatically you know K also 0.0035, 0.0335. CD naught is given 0.02. You take this value and calculate 0.02 divided by 0.0335. Okay, so you will write 0.02 divided by this value. Okay, it is 0.772. What is the 2 CD naught? It is 2 into CD naught 0.02. How much? 0.04. Yes or no? This is the CD naught. 2 CD naught. That is the CDMD. All right. Now check. So what is the R max? We'll write this. R max is nothing but H L by D max. I told you this is the minimum drag value. Okay. Why it is called L by D max is minimum drag? Because if drag is minimum, then only L by D will be maximum, right? That's the reason it is called minimum drag. So it is nothing but H L. I told you you can write CL, MD minimum drag, and CD minimum drag. L by D you can write CL by CD. Just now I had proved in previous page. Right. What is the H? 500 meter. CL MD just now you have calculated how much it is. 0.772. 0.772 divided by 0.04. Yes or no? All right. We'll write this value. Divide by 0.04 into 500. It is how much? 9657.43 meter, or you can write R max 9.657 kilometer. Check what is the answer is given. Okay, it is fill in the blank. No? You just write 9.657. That's all. This is the answer. I hope you all understand. It was very simple problem. Only the thing is data. Whatever the data they have given, you have to use the data. You should know the formula. You should know the concept of the glider. Okay, and it is very basic, and you have seen like previous year problems if you have watched the video. So if you see the oh sorry previous year problems, so similar kind of problem they are asking every time. Every time they are asking similar kind of the problem. Okay, so this problem hope you understood. Now we'll go for the next problem. Sorry, this is the next problem. This is again GATE 2013 question number 31. It is for 2 marks. Which of one of the following criteria leads to maximum turn rate and minimum radius in a level turn? So turn, I told you it is nothing but turning flight. Turning flight. It is divided in two parts called horizontal turn. This is also called level turn. Another is vertical turn. Two types of the vertical turn we have: pull up and pull down. All right. Now, so we'll talk about the horizontal turn here. So check. In horizontal turn, I will draw two diagrams, so it will be better. This is the aircraft which is at level, steady level. You can say this is lift, this is weight. Yeah? This is the level. flight. Now we'll show you. Okay, this is the turning flight. Check. Lift here. This will be weight. Okay. This is the vertical component. From vertical, it is turned or banked with phi angle. This is the horizontal. You can say this is also bank angle. It's your choice. This is also bank angle. No problem. Okay. Anyway, so this is L. So what will this value? It is L cos phi, and this will be L sin phi towards the center. So away from the center, obviously one force will be there, which is called mu square by r, the centrifugal force. I will write here phi is nothing but bank angle, mass of airplane, r, turn radius, or radius of turn. L and W is as usual lift and weight. Alright, so this is the thing related to. Okay, so this is for your understanding. I had drawn. Okay, remember here phi is was the banking angle you have taken from the vertical, no problem. Alright, so from here, what is the check? L cos phi is equal to W weight and L sin phi is equal to mv square by r. What is tan phi? It is nothing but mv square by r into w weight. Hmm? So obviously you can write mv square divided by r mg. Cancel out. What will be the tan phi? Check. V square by rg. What is the r? R is turn radius. So what is the r here? It is nothing but v square divided by g tan phi. Alright. Now check the question up to here because they had asked related to turn radius and turn rate. So we reached here. What answer they are asking and what question, and based on the given option we have to convert that turn radius and turn rate. So highest possible load factor we have to turn it in load factor and possible velocity. So we have velocity component we have in turn radius, but we don't have load factor. So what is the load factor? Let me write here. What is the load factor? Here I will write. Load factor is N. It is nothing but L by W. Yes or no? L by W is the load factor. So from this, check what is N. N is nothing but L by W is equal to 1 upon, check this, cos phi. Yes or no? It is 1 upon cos phi. I will write here, no problem. So L cos phi is equal to W. Load factor is L by W. If you check, L by W will be 1 upon cos phi, which is nothing but sec phi. So this will be the load factor. Yes or no? You know the relation. What is the relation? Trigonometric relation, you know. What is the tan phi? It is nothing but sec square phi minus 1. This you know, because sec square phi plus tan square phi is equal to 1. That you know. Yes or no? So this is the formula of the tan phi, sec square phi minus 1. Alright. You just keep this value here. So what you will get? What is the tan phi now? Sec phi is nothing but n. So n is square minus 1 in root. This is tan phi. You keep here r is equal to v square. Okay, this is the turn radius. You wanted this turn radius in terms of velocity and load factors. You got it because n is the load factor. This is equation number 1. What is the turn rate? Because that also you have to write. So basically v is equal to r omega. You need to remember the formula where omega is turn rate or rate of turn. So what is the omega? It is v by r. We'll write this value. So omega is v by r. V divided by what is the r? V square divided by g n square minus 1. To solve it, it will be g n square minus 1 divided by v. So what is the omega? G divided by v. This is equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2, okay, from equation 1 and 2, what is the r? R is v square g n square minus 1, and what is the omega? It is g n square 1 minus v. Now check. If you want to write, because rate of turn and turn radius both you got, maximum turn and minimum radius. So I will write minimum radius first. If you want to write r min, so what you will have? You will have minimum velocity divided by g n square minus 1, but this n should be max. Then only you will get r minimum. And what about this turn rate? Turn rate should be maximum. Check. So for maximum turn rate, if you want to write maximum, so you need to write g n square minus 1, but that should be maximum because you want maximum turn rate, and w will be max when v is min. What is the one common thing? What is the common thing? Check. For r minimum, velocity should be minimum and load factor should be maximum, and for w max, which is turn rate, n should be max, means load factor should be max and velocity should be min. So only conclusion you got, velocity should be min and load factor should be max. I hope you understood, because this was the complete derivation. I had not given direct formula, I thought to derive this. So but in examination you need to remember this formula, okay guys? So what is the common thing you got? Minimum velocity, maximum load factor. Check. Minimum velocity and maximum load factor. Highest possible velocity, lowest velocity, yes, option C. Highest possible load factor and lowest possible velocity. So what is the correct answer? Answer is C. I hope you all understand. Still, if you are getting any doubt for this problem, so answer is what? C. Any doubt if you may get at any steps, you can write comment in comment box, so I will reply for it. Okay. Now this is the next question. Okay, this is the linked based question. Okay, so I will write here it is linked based question. Linked question. How it is linked based question? One statement they will give and they will ask two questions. This is for 2 marks and this is for 2 marks. Total question is what, for 4 marks, and it will be correlated, means this answer may be related to this. Okay, so that time whenever you will calculate you need to know, because whatever the value you have calculated, suppose in first part, maybe the same value will be used in second part, maybe. Okay, that's the meaning of linked question. Right, now we'll solve this. We'll solve this problem. What is that? Take data for airplane are given as follows. Weight they have given 30 kilonewton. Thrust available at sea level is 4000 Newton. Wing plane form area it is given 30 meters square. Maximum lift coefficient CL max is given. Drag coefficient and drag coefficient CD. So this is called drag polar. No, many times I had explained. This is called drag polar. Okay. Assume air density. It is given. First question is stall speed of the airplane. So first we will write the given data. What is the given data? Check. They have given weight. No? Weight they have given 30 kilonewton. Thrust available they have given 4000 Newton. Okay. Area they have given 30 meters square and CL they have given 1.45. 1.4, no? Yes. Area they have given 30 meters square. CL max they have given 1.4. Alright. CD, which is called drag polar. What is the value here? It is given. Check. 0.015 plus 0.024. 0.015 plus 0.024 CL square. Drag polar always will be compared with CD naught plus KCL square. So indirectly they have given CD naught how much? 0.015, and what is the K they have given? 0.024. Alright, any others values they have given? Density they have given to you. What is the density? Check. It is nothing but 1.22. So 1.22 kg per meter cube. First part will solve. First part. Stall speed. What is the stall speed? It is minimum speed required to maintain level flight, or to sustain the flying condition. What should be the minimum speed? That's the mean of it. Okay. All right. So you know that L is equal to W half rho V square S into CL. This formula you know. So what will be the CL? Check. 2W divided by rho S. I should write velocity. So I will write this velocity. What should be the velocity? 2W rho S CL. Yes or no? Check. It should be in root. If I say stall speed, because I need to calculate stall speed, so this stall speed should be minimum. If this is minimum, then check weight is constant, density is constant, S is constant, so this CL should be maximum. So for that reason only this CL they have given maximum value. Hope you understood why this they have given. So anytime if they have given CL max, so that meaning itself they ask you to calculate minimum velocity or speed or stall velocity. All right. So now we'll calculate this to what is the weight? It is 30 kilonewton. So 30 into 10 power 3. Density 1.22 S 30 1.4. We have to perform this. So we'll get stall speed. How much it is? Let me calculate. 2 into 30 10 power 3 divide by rho 1 divide by rho 1.22 divide by 30 divide by 1.4. So it is uh, this is nothing but 117. No, how much it is? 117.1170. It is 1170.96 approximate this. If you take the root of it, you may get 34.21. This is the meter per second. Check option. Stall speed. This is the option B. Option B is correct answer. No? Option B. Okay, correct. This is the first part of this problem. Stall speed. So usually you have calculated. Now, second part, they are asking minimum and maximum speed of the airplane in level flight at sea level. Okay. So next part we need to calculate minimum and maximum, or maximum and minimum, because accordingly the minimum and maximum, and at same altitude. What is the statement? You check at the at sea level. Sorry, at sea level flight and sea level. Okay, at sea level they are asking. At sea level. At sea level. So I had shawl maybe 2021. So that time also they had asked minimum and maximum speed. So this is a very big derivation. So I always suggest to student you mug up this formula, because many times they had asked question based on this formula. Maybe theoretical question, sometimes MCQ may be asked, maybe multiple select question will be asked, maybe numerical will be asked, but yes, based on this formula many times they have asked, and further they will be asking question from this concept minimum and maximum speed. So I will give one formula because that derivation is very lengthy. Okay, so I will not go for derivation here. I will suggest, if you want, you can follow previous my subjects lectures. So in that derivation will be given, but here you just write this formula and you just calculate the value, and you need to remember this formula, and once you go for exam you remember it. All right, don't try to derive this formula in exam, because it will take more than 10 minutes. Better you just remember, mug up the formula. Okay, I'll write the formula so you will understand. So velocity or speed, it is nothing but T by W into W by S plus minus W by S or CD naught K. Divide by, what is that? Rho infinity, it is CV level CD naught to whole power, because this is the V square. Okay, so V square if you write, then it will be whole power 1 by 2 If you write plus, then you will get maximum speed. If you write minus, you will get minimum speed. Well, so remember this formula, guys. Okay, what is the T by W? It is called thrust to weight ratio. This term sometimes will be used. W by S is called wing loading. Rest everything you know. No, it is given to you. So this formula also you can write. Check, this is the general idea to write the equation, but T by W, thrust by weight into weight by plane form area. So W you can cancel. So what you will get? You can short this. You will get T by S. No, I will calculate first maximum. So you will write plus W by S, thrust to weight ratio square 4 CD naught by K divide by rho infinity CD naught. So we will calculate first maximum. So you will take plus here. No? I told you we have plus minus both. If you write plus, then maximum. Calculate what is the thrust they have given. 4000 divided by what is the area? 30 meter square. Plus what is the weight they have given? 30,000. So 13 to 10 power 3. Area 30. Okay, here I forget to write 1 by 2. So thrust is nothing but 4000 30 10 power 3 square 4. Now need to check CD naught. Rest value I don't remember. CD naught is 0.015. K is 0.024. 0.024. Okay. 1.22. 0.015. And this is also whole root or whole power is 1 by 2, or otherwise I will write square, no doubt. No, it is okay. So what V max I will get? Check. I'll write this. So 4000 divided by 30 10 power 3 square. Okay. 4000 divided by 30 10 power 3, you will get square minus in bracket 4 into CD naught is 0.015 into 0.024, right? Into 0.024 4 CD naught 4 CD naught K, all right. This is the value we got. Then we will take root of it 0.127, then multiplied by uh, multiplied by okay multiplied by 30 into 10 power 3 divide by 30. This value will get, all right, plus 4000 divided by 30 to power 10 power 3 is 127.95. This is 4000 divided by 30 into 10 power. This is 3. W by S, no? 4000 should be 4000 W by, it is thrust by area. So 30 divided by 4000 divided by 30. So this is the 261.28 divided by 1.21 divide by 0.015 and take the root. So so you may have the value which is nothing but 1435.92, and now it was square term. Now you have to take root. So this value will, you may get, take root. It is 119.98 meter per second. Check maximum speed anywhere if you are getting 119. Okay, two places you are getting 119 here and 119 here. All right, this is the one thing. So maximum you have calculated. Now we'll go for minimum. So in the same formula, you need to write here minus. So we'll go for the minus. So I will write V minus thrust by area. So again 4000 divided by area 30. I'll write a square here, minus W by S. No? Take the formula W by S. So W is 30 10 to the power 3 divided by 3. Alright. In bracket you need to write uh, thrust by weight. So what is the thrust by weight? It is 4000 divided by, you write it. So I can solve in calculator directly, but for you guys I'm just writing minus 4. What is the CD naught? It is 0.015. What is K? 0.024. You just remember the value. Many times I have written rho infinity 1.22 into CD naught. What is the CD naught? 0.015. Okay, we will write this value. So again we'll start from here. 4000 divided by 30 10 power 3 square minus 4 into 0.015 into K is nothing but 0.024. This is the value. Take root of it. This is the value. Okay. Then it is W by S. So this W by S, it should be 30, no? Because it is W by S, check 30. Anyway, so we'll multiply by 1000, no? Because 30 30 cancel, also multiply by 1000, multiplied by 1000. All right, and here it is 4000 divided by 30 minus 127 divided by 1.22 divided by 0.015. Okay, so it is 31.31 means 301.31 I got this, and this is what we mean to take the root now, because v square is equal to this, so v minimum will. So what is the v min? Take the root now. It is 17.35. Is 17.35 meter per second. Check any option you have. 17.35. Here, see, 11946 will get here, but 17.36, and this is 34.22. So once you get in your calculator, once you get 17.36 this value, so you will say this is right, but no, this is wrong. Why it is wrong? What is the minimum speed, stall speed you got? It is 34.22, means below 34.22 if you go, then that airplane will not sustain the level flight. So I said stall speed is minimum speed, that is okay. So but here if you calculated minimum speed, okay, minimum speed if you have calculated, you are getting 17.36, but practically it is possible? No, it is not possible. Why? Because 17.36 is less than 34.22, and minimum speed for the aircraft to sustain level flight is 34.22. So what will be the minimum speed? See, 34 point is the same value they have taken here. I hope understood. This is your correct answer. I hope you all understand this. Yes or no? Again, any doubt, any comment you have, then I mean, any question you have, then you write in comment box. So I will answer for this. This was so much lengthy, not lengthy, but for 4 marks it was okay. Actually, here I was explaining, so I took so much time. But you can finish this question within 5 to 7 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes max for this problem. Because stall speed directly you will get in your calculator. Only uh, time you will be taken in this maximum and minimum speeds. Okay, so this is done. So this minimum speed will not be considered. So what will be the minimum speed considered? It is 34 point, whatever the stall speed you have calculated. No, that is stall speed 34.2. So 34.21 will be the minimum speed required to the aircraft to maintain level flight. To sustain the flying condition, aircraft required this. So this, now minimum speed you got 34.21 and maximum speed you got 119.98. So what will be the your correct answer? Your answer is nothing but option C. Yes or no? Just now you have check. This was the option C. Here you have marked, no, this is option C. I hope you all understand this problem. As I mentioned already, like this was little bit lengthy, but yet yes, it was simple one only. Still, if you have any doubt, you write a comment in comment box, so I will reply. All right. So keep doing hard work, guys. All the best. Thank you.